everyone. Tonight we're going to be making taco spaghetti. So what goes into our taco spaghetti? 1 pound extra lean beef, 95%. All I could find was 93% lean. 1 package, 1.5 ounces, a mild taco seasoning mix, and this is only 1 ounce. 1 10-ounce can ro-tel diced tomatoes and green chilies, undrained, and this is the generic of it. 2.5 cups of water. 8-ounce spaghetti, uncooked. This is a 16-ounce, so we'll be using half. And 6 tablespoons reduced fat sour cream. This is not reduced fat, this is just regular sour cream. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have a pot here. We're going to turn the heat onto medium high, and we're going to go ahead and put our hamburger in and cook it until it is no longer pink. Okay, so the hamburger is brown. There's no pink left in it. And if you need to, go ahead and drain the grease. But if you use 95% lean, there shouldn't be hardly any grease to drain. And you want to go ahead and add your taco seasoning, your undrained tomatoes, your 2.5 cups of water, and your 8 ounces of spaghetti broken in half. And then you want to go ahead and bring that to a boil. Okay, so after it gets to a boil, you want to go ahead and put a lid on it and reduce the heat. And then go ahead and let it cook, stirring occasionally for 10 minutes or until the spaghetti is tender. And it is all done, and it has been about 10 minutes. The noodles are tender, and we'll go ahead and get it dished up and give it a taste test. And then you can go ahead and put your condiments that you would like, either for spaghetti wise or for taco wise. And I'm going to go ahead and put a dollop of sour cream, some black olives, and some cheese. And there is the taco spaghetti. And rounding off the meal is cucumber watermelon salad and cheesy ciabatta bread. And my husband is missing out today. He's on the road, so I get to try this without him. It looks really, really good. I love spaghetti and I love tacos, so together it should be a perfect combination. I'm always messy eating spaghetti though, so. This is really good. I mean, it's like a taco with spaghetti noodles. I mean, it is perfect if you don't want a shell and you like spaghetti. This is really awesome. I think I definitely will fix this again. If you have any other suggestions that you would like me to make, please leave them in the comments below. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.